Northeast Frontier Railways rebuilt the 85-kilometer Lumding-Badarpur stretch in Assam after May landslides. Going by the scope and depth of the damage to railway tracks, the repair works is the fastest ever in the history of Indian Railways, said NFR's Chief Public Relations Officer Sabyasachi. Local passenger trains will restart in the following few days, but long-distance trains won't run soon for operational reasons. We've tested light engines and freight trains started Tuesday. Tripura received a sugar train. The Railway Ministry approved 180 crores for repairs. NFR mobilized employees, materials and machines despite bad weather, officials stated. Nearly 2,000 workers including engineers and 500 heavy and small machines worked round the clock to repair the rails. Heavy rains triggered landslides in Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and South Assam on May 14. Indian Journal is now available on your App Store. Download the app now and get all the impactful news on the go. Subscribe Indian Journal to stay updated with the latest news.